And I just want to shout from the rooftops, everybody join Bro, because you'll just be an amazing agent by default. I mean, you guys have so much stuff in the system that I'm in awe. I mean, seriously, I don't know why anybody would ever do anything else, but just get a Bro account, go in, take all the courses, learn all the stuff, do everything you tell us to do. And I have agents that I work with that go, I don't want to reinvent the wheel. Let's just do it the way Bro does it. Let's just use Bro stuff. And I love that because then I can just go in and set everything up. And if you set everything up the way it's supposed to, it's like your business is on autopilot and it's automatic. And so it's so easeful and it's also so positive. Then you have these Wisdom Wednesdays every week. I'm always stunned if I know somebody in Bro is like, no, I haven't watched one of those. I'm like, what? Are you kidding? You know, all these great resources. Hello. So I was telling Dan, I just want to shout from the rooftops, everybody join Bro, because you'll just be an amazing agent by default. And then I did ask Annie one day, I was talking with Annie on the phone and I said, tell me, Annie, I'm just curious. Have you found in all the training that you've been doing with all the agents that come in Bro, that there is a difference in business, like as far as how their business is successful, dependent upon how much they do in Bro, like how much they utilize the resources, how much they access, what they set up? Do you find there's a difference? And she said, oh, absolutely. Like the more people will use Bro and everything it has to offer, the better their business is.